Hello everyone. So I thought I would pop on today and show you a quick walkthrough of my new Rockabye Baby album. I used the Rockabye Baby collection by Echo Park, or Carta, sorry. And it has a really nice texture to it, the paper does. And I also used the Bundle of Joy Boy collection by Echo Park, just a little bit of it, just to fill in some spaces. So here's the front of the album. So I did use one of the 4x4 cut aparts, and I just cut it down a little bit and I matted it and I popped it up on the front. And I used some of the stickers from the collection and some die cuts from La La Land Crafts. And I used some metal corners here. And then the spine has the baby boy. And the baby boy is actually from the Bundle of Joy collection from Echo Park. And then that is the back of the album as well. And this sticker is also from the Bundle of Joy collection. And it is a chipboard album. I forget exactly what size it is. So let's measure it. It is 7 by 9. So it's a 7 by 9 album. So we'll open it in the front here. So the inside cover has a little expandable pocket. And it just opens like that. Like that. And it does have quite a bit of room in there to put all the extra little photos and stuff from the hospital after you bring baby home. And then it just wraps up and closes like that. And then the first page here, this is a sticker from the collection that I backed on cardstock, and it is open behind here so that you can stick your photo in behind there. And then it opens like this up here, and it also opens down like that, and then it opens to the side. And this is one of the stickers from the collection. This is also one of them, also backed on cardstock, so that you can tuck your photo behind there. And then it opens like this. And this sticker down here is also from the collection. And then you just fold it back up like that. And then every one of them does have an insert, because it's a pocket page. Comes out, and I just used a Martha Stewart corner punch to punch the edge of that. And then it opens to here, and it does have a pocket here with an insert. And I used the envelope punch board to make that little edge there. And then it opens like this. This is a sticker from the collection that I backed on cardstock as well, so that you can slip it under for your photo. And then there's another spot for a photo there. And then it opens like this, and like this, and like that. And then there's a spot for a large photo back here. And then it just closes back up like this. And then on page 3, this again is a sticker from, this is actually from the Bundle of Joy Boy collection. And again, I backed it on cardstock so you can stick your photo behind there. So it opens like this, and then that's another sticker from the collection. Again, you can stick your photo, and then it opens up like this and like that. And then you actually have a waterfall in here where you can add quite a few photos. You can add 8 photos front and back. And there's another sticker from the collection. And then it just folds back up like this. And again, it has the insert. So this is the next page here. So this is another cut apart, one of the 3x4 cut aparts from the collection. And these are some angled pockets. So there's room for a big photo back here. And then it closes like this. And then this is a gatefold page, and I used one of the 4x6 cut aparts that I cut down, and I just created some little banners here. So that's my closure for the album. And it opens like this, and then there is another waterfall in here. It goes different directions, and then there's room for a large photo behind there. And then this just slips back in to keep it closed. And again, there is another insert there. And then this is the last page. So these are all from the collection. And you can slide your photo behind these. And it opens like this. And then like that. I can get it all into frame. And then also this is a belly band, but you can also put something back here if you want to put a photo or some journaling, some other memorabilia. You can put that back there, and it's all magnetically closed. And then this is the inside back cover, and I have a large waterfall here for 4x6 photos, and it does have a magnet. So this is a cut apart from the collection. And then I just matted it all with white, and then I did a 1-inch strip of paper all the way down. And then the back has another 4x6 cut apart. So that's my baby boy album made with the Rockabye collection from Echo Park and Carta. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.